Hello everyone. We have seen previous video about algorithm. What is algorithm? Algorithm is the step-by-step solution of any problem. See, step-by-step solution of any problem means what? See, step 1. This algorithm is related to your addition of two numbers. This algorithm is related addition of add two number. Okay. This is regarding your algorithm add two numbers. See, if you want to solve this problem, then we have to write down step by step. See, start, accept the value of the first number in A, accept the value of the second number in B, that is step 4, add two number and store in C. Yes, then step 5, display the value of C and then last N. Means what? First of all, we have to enter the value of A, enter the value of B, then these two we have to like this. Suppose A equal to 30, B equal to 20, and these both value will be added in C, then we will get result of C. Like this we will get, but we have to write down step by step. That is called algorithm. Now in that next, regarding that flow chart, you know flow chart. आप ये algorithm. Okay, now next we have written algorithm. Now we have to flow. Flow means क्या? How to go, which line will go where. That is, all these things will be represent with the help of flow chart. It will be the depend on some symbols. You know everyone symbol? Yeah, that is diamond shape, rectangle shape, parallelogram, flow line. These are the some symbols. I will show you about this. Some symbols, we will check it before going properly. You know everyone about this symbol in algorithm. Ellipse. We can use this symbol for end and start. This symbol is used for end and start. Then we have to use this symbol also. This is called parallelogram. This is for input and output process. This is for input and output process. Next, about this rectangle. You know about this rectangle. Yes, see here, this is the rectangle symbol. It is used for process. Then we have to use this diamond symbol for decision box. This is regarding your decision, and last is this is the flow line. What? Flow line. अभी ध्यान देना है यहाँ पे, ये सारे चीजें कहाँ पे यूज होते हैं. अभी एक सिंपल सी बात, what is the relation between is in both. See, first start we can write here, then input we can accept input A, input B, then this is the process. Step 4 is the process, we can write in this. Now here nothing for decision, so we will leave it. Then display the value, again we can go in this box, that is a input output process. Then last end, again we can go carry. Now we will see here how it is working. I will show one by one. We can represent the flow chart with the help of this algorithm. I will show you just a minute. See here. Now we can represent flow chart on this algorithm. First, we have to start. Done. Write down here start. Yes. Now flow line. Take the flow line. Now you have to use input symbol. What is input symbol? This is the input symbol. What is the first input? Accept value in A, or accept value in A. This is the first input. Second input, see here. Second input, accept value in B. Now we have to go in process. Step 4. Then process our rectangle symbol. Yes. Add in C. Yes. Add in C, or add the two numbers and store in C. You can write down both. And then last, again we have to output. So for output, this is the symbol. Now display value, you can write whole value in C, and last your end. See now, like this you can represent any flow chart, anything. See, step 1 start, written here. Step 2, accept the value of first number, accept the value in A. Step 2, accept the value in B, written here. Step 4, process, see here, rectangle box, add in C, or add the two numbers you have write down. Then step 5, display the value. Now this is the output. Step 5, and then end. Like this you can write any flow chart, and depend on that flow chart, you can write first algorithm, and depend on that algorithm you can write flow chart. Means you can draw any flow chart. Like this you can solve any problem with the help of algorithm and flow chart. Yes, again we will see next example, how to decision make. Okay, I will show you here another example. Okay, see here, simple, we will check on decision making, how it is work, all these things. Okay, see यहाँ पे देखो, regarding your morning wake up, this is algorithm regarding your morning wake up. Okay, now first step 1. What is step 1? Start. Step 2. What is step 2? The alarm rings at a specified time. Step 3, if you hit snooze, go back to step 2. Go back to step 2. Yes, correct. Like this. Now step 4. Step 4 में if not then wake up. Step 5, turn off alarm. And step 6, end or stop. You can say end or stop. Okay, see now this is the algorithm regarding your morning wake up. Now depend on this algorithm we can represent or we can draw flow chart. How? See here. First see, start, done. Second, what is the, we have to take input. This is the input, ring specified time, that is the input. So input must be in parallelogram ring. Okay, then decision here. अब इसके बाद if you hit snooze, if you press the snooze button, it will be stopped for 20, 10, depend on you, and then again after 10 minutes, 20 minutes, it will be ring. So what is the decision? See, see now, what is decision? Hit, did you press snooze? Did you press snooze? Correct. Now next, यहाँ पे दो एरर है, you have to go check. If you hit snooze, then go to step 3. Hit S. If S, then what will come? You will go in step 2. If no, then you can go in process. That is wake up. Then wake up, and then last turn on, turn off, and last that is stop. I hope depend on this example you can easily understand about this concept, what is in the flowchart and what is in the algorithm. Okay, see, depend on this algorithm you can represent flowchart, means you can draw flowchart. सिंपल सी बात है, स्टार्ट किया वहां पे, फर्स्ट सेकंड स्टेप में क्या है, अलार्म रिंग एट अ स्पेसिफाइड टाइम, स्पेसिफाइड टाइम को रिंग हो गया. स्टेप 4 में क्या है, ये देखो यहाँ पे रिंग हो गया. स्टेप 4, इफ यू हिट स्नूज, अगर आपने स्नूज प्रेस कर दिया तो गो बैक टू स्टेप 2, यहाँ पे फिर से अलार्म बजेगी आफ्टर 10 मिनट 20 मिनट्स. देन इफ यू हिट नॉट हिट द स्नूज, देन यू कैन वेक अप एंड लास्ट टर्न ऑफ द अलार्म. Now see here what will happen. See, start, alarm ring, then did you press snooze? If you can press, means you, yes, you can say yes, then you go step 2. Otherwise you can go step 4th, wake up and turn off alarm. Like this you can easily represent with the help of algorithm and then flowchart. I hope you understood about these whole things properly. Depend on this you can solve any example, you can draw any flowchart with the help of algorithm. Thank you.